Hi friends, welcome back to MX Decor. This video is about most creative and eye-catching designs of walkways and pathways. Question is how to decor a cool walkway. We have spent a lot of time thinking about the best decor for their pools and seating areas. Walkways rarely get the same kind of attention. Decor or designing a cool walkway will not only help you move smoothly from your home to your garden or backyard, but it can create a focal point and connect different elements of your outdoor area. The walkway is an important element of any long island landscape, and yet it is often overlooked. Walkways are both functional and aesthetic. They allow you walk through your landscaped areas at any time of the year without getting your shoes wet or dirty. And at the same time, this is the one landscape architectural element that draws the eye to certain focal points of the outdoor landscape while simultaneously providing its often attractive qualities. Too often, homeowners get too caught up in creating their perfect hard landscaped or soft landscaped spaces without thinking about how these areas connect or relate to each other. Walkways can be used to tie area of a landscape together and provide fluid accessibility. When ignored, a landscape can seem disconnected and disjointed. In the case of connecting functional areas, the created by walkways is crucial to the efficient use of these spaces. Outdoor kitchens, for example, requires easy access to the indoors as well as outdoor dining and entertainment areas for convenience and efficiency. Walkways also set the mood for your outdoor areas in a number of ways. This is done through design, style, color and texture. As in other architectural landscape elements, the difference being that direct interaction with a walkway is inevitable. Consider, for example, the difference between walking through a landscape along a walkway that curves and twists along the natural contours or features of a landscape and one that cuts a direct and efficient path. On between, strolling along a walkway that runs along the top of a slope that gives ways to a magnificent view or one that winds through thick vegetations. These styles offer tranquility, functionality, openness, and a sense of mystery respectively. Where the landscape area is located will also influence the type of path and the material used. For example, a front yard walkway will require spatial curb appeal that shows off the entrance and structure of the building, while backyard walkway will need a unify all landscape architectural elements, and both areas will also need to address safety issue. As you consider different materials, plan out the placement of the walkways. To do this, think about where you wish to create destination zones, offer a natural traffic flow, draw traffic from one area to the landscape to other. Make a more sustainable landscape area where a combination of walkways and patio may be a better alternative to the more labor-intensive lawn. Create intimate areas within the landscaped area where visitor might want to linger, for instance, a shady nook and a lawn chairs where visitors can sit and talk to or read. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.